So welcome to Unconventionally Creative once again. Today in the Get Inspired series, we are going to see about Jehosheba. We see about Jehosheba in 2nd Chronicles chapter 22, 23. The whole episode is like this. King Ahaziah of Judah is killed. So once his mother, she comes to know that Ahaziah is killed, his mother Athaliah, she wants to seize the throne. She orders that all the royal heirs to be executed. So if there is no one to take the place of King Ahaziah, so by default she thought that she can seize the throne. Even her own grandchildren were executed. So we can see how cruel she was, or we can say she was so wicked that she can do anything to get the throne. So finally, what she expected happened. All the heirs were executed and she took over the throne. But in midst of all this, there was one infant son of King Ahaziah who was rescued by Ahaziah's sister Jehosheba. So this is where Jehosheba comes in picture. Jehosheba was king's sister and she was married to a high priest. So we see that Jehosheba, she rescued the infant child of King Ahaziah and she kept the child hidden in the temple along with the nurse for a longer time. Once the child was 7 years old, Jehoshaba's husband, that is a high priest, he makes a very wise plan. According to his plan, the king's mother, Athaliah, is executed and the king's son, Joash, has been crowned as the next king. So let's focus upon Jehosheba. Let's take a closer look at Jehosheba. What was her role and what is the impact that was there because of the action that she had taken. So first we see that she was the king's sister. So she is very much well aware about the rules and the protocols of we can say the royal family. So we see that she took a risk. She decided to rescue the infant. There can be two reasons. One, no one has and had to see a small infant being executed. So we see that she had compassion towards the infant son of the king. Second, she was married to the high priest. So we can also say that she was committed to the Lord as her husband was. So she never wanted the cruelty, the wickedness of the king's mother to rule their nation. Despite of knowing that she is risking her life, still she went ahead and she saved the life of the infant. Let's do the right thing even if we are at risk. Jehosheba risked her life to save another life. She has saved a generation for the Lord. God has given each one of us the ability to make choices. We are responsible to God about the choices that we make. I encourage you to read 2nd Chronicles chapter 22 and 23 where you can go through this entire episode, what happens over there. It's really inspiring to see how Jehosheba and her role was there in these two chapters. So I believe we all can get inspired from the life of Jehosheba. Make choices that makes difference in our life, not just in our life, but also in for the people around us, for the people, those who are connected to us. So see you again in our next video where we will come up with another example from our Bible who can inspire us in our day-to-day life.